So here is how to add Epic Games to desktop or create a shortcut for it if it doesn't exist in your desktop. Click on the start menu and search for Epic Games, and then you should see the Epic Games launcher. Right click on it and click on open file location, and it should open this location. Right click on the Epic Games launcher and then click show more and send to and select desktop, and that should create a desktop shortcut like this one. Now what you can do is simply also right click on it and then click show more options, and then you can either open it and choose to pin it to the taskbar like this, and that should pin it to the taskbar. It should show up like on this taskbar on your main screen. You can simply double click on it or click on the taskbar icon to open the Epic Games launcher. And now if you want to create shortcuts for your games, you can go to the library, go to the installed game, click on the three dots and click on manage, and you should be able to see a button called create shortcut to desktop. You simply need to click on it to send the game icon to your desktop so they can open it by double clicking the game icon. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.